Hey guys, welcome back to Art School. As we all know that 2020 is nearly ready to say goodbye. Probably one of the toughest year we had been through. This art is just a representation of 2020 and to say goodbye to this year. A girl who always used to cherish her life the fullest, traveling here and there, which suddenly got ruined by a tiny disastrous virus. We wish the best for her and pray that the next year we get rid of all the troubles we had to go through in 2020. Wish you a happy new year. Please watch until the end to see this watercolor painting coming to life. Show us your support by a subscribe to the channel or supporting at our Patreon. This would mean a lot to us. this amazing art. Do you want to learn how to draw this kind of arts? Comment down below about your thoughts on it. Oh, on the 1st January, we'll also be releasing another cool New Year art for 2021. Stay tuned and thank you.